Introducing the reliable STN BAT416B Fire Alarm Control Display, a critical safety system component designed for fire detection, alarm monitoring, and emergency response applications. This control display unit provides clear visual indication of alarm conditions and system status, helping operators quickly identify and respond to fire-related events. The STN BAT416B Fire Alarm Control Display operates on a 24 volts power supply and is engineered to support dependable monitoring of connected fire alarm systems. It serves as a centralized interface that displays alarm signals, fault conditions, and operational information, ensuring continuous supervision of fire protection networks.